Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that this circle has center O and the length of arc ADC is 5 pi. We're also told the angle here, COA, x degrees is equal to 100 degrees. We're asked what is the length of arc ABC. So if x is equal to 100 degrees, then this angle right here is equal to 360 degrees minus 100 degrees, right? 360 degrees would be the entire circle. So just this would be the entire circle minus what's left, which is 100. So this bigger angle is 260 degrees. And if you notice, the arc ADC is laid out by this 100-degree angle. And arc ABC is in the same way laid out by the 260-degree angle that we just found. So the ratio of 100 to 260 is going to be the same ratio as the length of the arcs. So this is equal to ADC over ABC, right? The proportions that these are of the overall circumference is the same as the proportion of their angles, their central angles. So 100 over 260, we can just cut out the zeros. That's just dividing both sides by 10. So we have 10 over 26 is equal to ADC, we're told is 5 pi, and ABC is what we're looking for. So you have two fractions here, so we can cross multiply. We have 10 ABC is equal to 26 times 5 pi. 10 ABC, therefore, is equal to 26 times 5 is 130 pi. And dividing both sides by 10, these 10s cancel, and we get ABC is equal to 130 divided by 10, which is 13 pi. And this is what we're actually looking for. So 13 pi, or B, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.